and I am your host. I am Mark Helvaleo. For this video, we're going to tackle questions on how to create a variable in our Terraform. Okay, so if you missed the last video that I have created from tutorial of Terraform, so we created a simple credential and make it connect to our AWS. Okay, and then right now what we're going to do right now is how we can create a variable so that the variable will be reusable from our code. Okay, so in our next video we will getting deeper with more in Terraform in my tutorial. So but as for now, we go let's move forward to our topic on how to create a variable in Terraform. Okay, so I have a code here, that very simple code that I can create S3 bucket from my AWS. Okay, and I use the profile default from my credential and make it in region US2, which is Ohio, I think, or maybe should we put it in S1. And here is my bucket name and the tag, and the bucket should be private. Okay, and right now we're going to make a variable. Okay, because this is our topic, this is the questions that we need to answer. Okay, very simple. So we can create a variable here, of course, in our TF main TF. Okay, main TF file. Okay, or there's other way that we can also separate our variable from our main TF, Terraform files, so that it will look cleaner. Okay, but first we need to create a variable for the main TF. So I'm going to demo that, guys. First of all, if we're going to create this variable, so simply we need to variable, and then what is the name of the variable? S3 bucket name, for example. And it's like you create a variable from your programming. So if you have a background with some programming here, so it's like it's same thing that you're going to do. So description, so of course for make it simple, so created this same variable. Okay, and then its name, and then the default. What is the default of the name of the S3 bucket? Of course we're going to remove this one, and then you put it here. Okay, of course we need to remove this one. So how we're going to call this variable from here? So all we need to do is to type var, and then, so if you have that's the good thing, if you have editor, so it will give us the suggestions for us to click. Okay, so and then that's it. So we created created our first variable, and likewise we're going also to use to verbalize this example, this region. So we're going to same thing we're going to do is variable and then make the region as a name, region, and then what type. Okay, and then of course this is string, guys. No, this is string. Okay, this is string, and then description, same guys with this one. Okay, same description. Of course this is not the name, of course we name it location. Okay, what is the default region? Of course this is the default region, guys. No, and then so that's it. Same goes if you're going to use it, just call the bar and then the region. Okay, region. Okay, that's it. So if you're going to initialize it, okay, Terraform to check to initialize again our new created Terraform. Okay, let's check what's wrong with this code. 2122. Okay, we have error here, so let's check it again. 2122 s3 bracket name description name variable s3 bracket variable 21. Oh, okay. We have this type here, then init. There you go. And then if you're going to plan it, to check if the code is looking good. Okay, so that's it. So if you're going to separate our variable for our declared main Terraform, all we need to do is to create a file here, and then from here type variable .tf. Of course this is Terraform, and then what we're going to do is separate this one, okay, and paste it from here. Okay, we're going to init again, initialize the newly modify the Terraform file, and then we need to plan it. Okay, if this command is